What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Tonic fam, I'm back with another video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. Last time I made a Tonic video was around 5 days ago, but I just want to say thank y'all so much. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna consistently cover the project on my channel. Obviously, anytime there's some updates, we're gonna dive into it. Shout out to Poker Face, long-term play, stay stack and let it manifest. Dashu, sleeper project right here. Jack Thompson, shalom and happy 4th weekend, brother. Sometimes I'll be missing comments, but shout outs to everyone, man. Sabby Mac, shout out to you. Jack Thompson once again. Ben Warren, that man Chef with the super thanks. Thank you so much, Chef bro, Chef Benny. Goblin 287, Tonic and Seller, gems, right? Tonic, definitely a gem, right? As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project, right? You know, crypto is very risky, very volatile. But yeah, let's dive into Tonic like we always do on the channel, man. $28.9 million in market cap, down 1%. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna stay in this range, right? 25 to 30 mil market cap looks like the range for Tonic, right? And this is why I say 10x to 100x from here, going into the bull cycle. With crypto.com and the mass adoption that will happen, a lot of US users only use crypto.com. DeFi and all these other things are very challenging for them, like getting onto like Uniswap, 1inch, Ethereum, setting up MetaMask and going to different blockchains. That is very difficult. So the average user of crypto are on tier 1 exchanges, and crypto.com is one of the most used crypto exchanges, and they just got access to Spain. I made in a video that Spain could be not access to Spain, but regulatory framework from Spain. I made a video speaking about how Tonic, that's even more bullish for projects like Tonic, because Tonic is one of the leading altcoins on the Kronos blockchain. It is one of the top, it is the top DeFi project on Kronos as well. It is the top. It's not one of the top. It is the top DeFi project on Kronos. So fading this is like fading Kronos, right? I'm not gonna fade projects like Crow, because Crow is one of those successful Crow is a successful DeFi layer 1 blockchain and a successful exchange, right? So I am definitely not gonna fade Crow, and if I'm not fading Crow, I'm not gonna fade Tonic as well, right? Because I know they will crush it going into the next bull cycle. Accumulator, Tonic back at it. Tonic back, kill all-time high. Tom Squires, Tonic, give me a break. I know the patience is running thin for a lot of people, but don't worry, just be patient. Eventually we're gonna see the price start to go bonkers. To everyone who thought Tonic is a scam or a death, look here, Tonic is fine. This is a perfect sinus rhythm. From 800D, I'm making money with Tonic. All you naysayers must be just plain doodle brains. Right? EFAL, July's Tectonic's month. Don't miss the last opportunity to invest. Save this post, then we can talk about it in August and have a nice month, dear Tectonians. Tonic fan, I'm telling you guys, you see the bulls are starting to come back slowly and surely. Not seeing as many bearish comments for Tonic. Watch list keeps growing, addresses keeps growing. Follower count on Twitter keeps growing, 64.4k followers on Twitter. They recently announced, today we're thrilled to announce 2 enhancements to our platform. Elcro Pool is getting a makeover and will now be known as Vino Pool. We're also adding Atom and Latsum to the Vino Pool. Nice stuff, man. And then you could go through the app obviously and take a look at it as well, guys. You know, Elcro, Latum, Atom as well. So many developments being done for Tonic. Get started earning more yield with Atom. Have questions, drop them in the Discord. We'll clear your doubt. Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is a process, and working together is success. Adding Vino Finance, man. Super bullish stuff, man. That's what I'm saying. The top DeFi project on Kronos is Tonic. If y'all are bullish on Crow, I would think you gotta be bullish on Tonic as well, man. Like, Tonic is such a great DeFi project. You basically take control of your finances with Tonic, guys. Be rewarded even more with our friends at eCryptos DAO. We're gonna take a look at that in a second. I just want to make sure I'm fully caught up on all the tweets. Keep the lava flowing. Get ready for exciting times ahead. So they just did a partnership with eCryptos. Huge earnings for our Crow single token vault. Gain more Crow as Tonic rewards from Tectonic Fi get them unlocked after a 6-month period. 86.5% APY in the past week. What? What? That's a 2x, bro. No better place for staking your Crow. Staking details. Crow gets a boost. Tonic rewards are now unlocked. Huge APY on a single token Crow vault auto compounding. Sustainable APY funds are safe. That's what I'm saying. The amount of DeFi utility you could unlock with Tonic is insane. I'm not gonna fade Tonic, guys. I'm really not gonna fade it. And look at this, from Kronos chain, 225k followers. Kronos ecosystem spotlight. This was today, guys. This is my whole logic behind Tonic. Tectonic is the leading money market protocol on Crow, giving all Crow fam access to lending and borrowing of on-chain assets. Reading to find out more about Tectonic's journey and roadmap. And they're gonna have a nice article. Look at this. They're gonna have a very nice article as well. Okay, that's perfect. Can you share more about Tectonic and the team behind the project? Tectonic is the largest money market protocol on Crow with over $120 million in TVL. You can access instant loans and passive yield across 15 markets. Tectonic caters to various types of users, including hodlers, wanting to earn passive interest from supply assets, traders looking to borrow tokens in order to capitalize on trading and yield farming opportunities, or users wanting to access other cryptocurrencies for multiple purposes. Example, participate in ICO bonding without having to liquidate their original assets. Tectonic is backed by a small international team of builders who are passionate about bringing crypto to the masses. We come from diverse professional backgrounds but share the same goal of wanting to make DeFi useful and accessible. And then they go through the updates. Tectonic has been live on Kronos mainnet since late 2021. How has the growth been? What are the interesting upcoming features of products that Tonic will be launching? Let me take a quick look at this. Long short strategy. The long short strategy is going to be very bullish. One of the best use cases of a money market protocol. You would have to go on a lending protocol like Tonic to borrow an asset against your collateral. Go to a DEX like VVS, swap the borrowed asset for the collateral to go back to Tonic and borrow again to leverage up. Why did you choose Kronos chain as the chain to launch on? From a business perspective, we chose Kronos as it allowed us to tap into the massive retail user base with the crypto.com ecosystem. And that is exactly what I'm talking about with Tonic. Because they're on Kronos and it's like one of the leading altcoins on Crow. When Crow grows, so does Tonic, right? As an alumni of the Kronos Labs incubation program, we received and continue to receive invaluable support, which has allowed us to become the leading money market protocol on the chain. Remember, they were incubated by Kronos Labs, right? I told you guys about Gary Orr as well when I made that video a while back, right? For a new user to Tectonic, where can they learn more about the project? And then they have the link to all their information. Faithful $Tonic, FLS News talking about the partnership with eCryptos DAO. Tonic Sleeping Giant 4.9 out of 5. Come on, man. Agent 00. All I hear is bank this or bank that, but they're not quite like Tectonic. This is the only bank I'll be needing. Zegomatic saying amen. Agent 00. Zegomatic, super bullish Tonic family members, man. I can't wait for Tonic to have its day. This will be how I'm able to retire at an early age and take care of my family. Amen, man. CoinDive.app, hot off the press. Check out yesterday's top movers in community activity. And look at this, 48% Tonic. Tonic is making waves consistently. They might want to try to fade it, but like I said, when Crow starts exploding again, Tonic is gonna shine, man. It is, man. I know it. I have no doubts in my mind about that. from Shango. So who is going to bring leveraging up to 1.3 to Tectonic? Tonic offers leverage management tools in order to cater to a broader risk profile or investment criteria, all while enabling users to complete transactions in a single click. We aim to make it easier for users to execute their investment views using Tonic, which ultimately should increase borrowing and hence protocol revenue. Higher leverage brokers enable traders to buy and sell assets without needing to cover the full value of the position. This can be useful for a variety of strategies. FBS offers one of the highest leverage limits in the industry. Traders can trade with leverage up to 1.3. This provides access to $3,000 in trading capital for every $1 risk. Supported markets include forex, stocks, and indices. FBS also supports some of the best emerging cryptos, including Filecoin and Solana. Guys, shout out to Shango with the deep dive here, man. The Tonic community is one of the best I've seen in crypto, and you guys keep at it. You guys keep crushing it. You guys have so much knowledge that I be learning from you guys as well. When I bring my info to the, to the channel, y'all be giving me info. I'm like, whoa, this is great stuff, right? That whole FPS breakdown that Shango wrote about, and he also provided the sources as well. Crazy stuff, man. Absolutely bullish stuff for Tonic fam. If you're tuned in, you made it to this far in the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this all over Twitter. Shout out to Shango, Zegomatic, Agent 00, make sure I got the names right, man, Faithful, every single one of you guys. Shout out to all of you guys. Continue to support, make these videos go viral so we can spread the awareness of Tonic all over the YouTube sphere. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.